Stygimoloch. Stygimoloch had a super thick skull. Some scientists think that this animal used its head to bump the sides of other Stygimoloch.
This animal was about 2 kids tall.
Stygimoloch was a herbivore that walked on 2 legs and lived in the late Cretaceous time period of what is now North America. Styracosaurus. Styracosaurus was a ceratopsian dinosaur. It was a giant plant eater that lived in the late Cretaceous time period in North America.
This animal was about 2 kids tall.
Like other ceratopsians, the jaws of the Styracosaurus had a strong beak up front and plenty of slicing teeth behind, perfect for cropping and slicing plant food. Therizinosaurus. Therizinosaurus is a large feathered dinosaur from the Cretaceous. With short, stubby legs, pot belly, long arms, and hands tipped with huge claws, it was one of the most bizarre-looking dinosaurs.
This animal was about 5 kids tall.
Using their long arms and claws to reach out and cut plants, Therizinosaurus were herbivores. Some scientists also believe that their claws were used for self-defense. Triceratops. Triceratops was a quadrupedal dinosaur that lived in western North America at the very end of the Cretaceous time period.
This animal was about 3 kids tall.
Triceratops had a large parrot-like beak suited to slicing through vegetation like thick-branched tree limbs. It had hundreds of teeth in the rear of the jaws for cutting up lots of tough plants. Troodon. Troodon was a small bipedal dinosaur with a big brain, which probably made it one of the smartest dinosaurs around.
This animal was about 2 kids tall.
Unlike most dinosaurs feeding on either plants or meat, Troodon was most likely an omnivore, eating both plants and meat. Being an omnivore means it was easier to find a meal. Tyrannosaurus. With arms so tiny, Tyrannosaurus probably used its head to grab its prey.
This animal was about 4 kids tall.
Tyrannosaurus was a bipedal carnivore and was one of the biggest predators ever to live on land. This meant it had to eat a lot to survive. A grown-up could eat 500 pounds of meat in a single bite. Utahraptor. Utahraptor was a fast-running theropod that lived in North America during the Cretaceous time period.
This animal was about 4 kids tall.
With its long running legs and a huge claw on each foot, Utahraptor would have been an excellent predator.